Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find game stats on Ubisoft Connect. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Ubisoft if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have, as you can see, your profile, home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus. Here we have the download manager. Again, here you can go and subscribe to Ubisoft Plus. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find game stats on Ubisoft Connect. So first of all, make sure you're in online mode. You can check out that by clicking here, then profile, then checking out the online status as you can see. Now, click on the stats tab in the main menu. So you need to go of course to your games and everything in your library here, and here you can go and click on the stats when you of course have some games. I don't have any games at the moment. Then choose the game for which you want to view your statistics. You'll see a detailed breakdown of your gameplay statistics, including hours played, kills, win-loss ratio, and more. You can also compare your stats with friends and see leaderboards for various games. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.